result of all these problems, today we are facing several serious environmental issues at the global level. Global environmental issues. One of them has been what is known as global warming. Global warming. Global warming is the increase in the temperature of the earth. Increase in the temperature of the earth. Over the last 100 to 150 years. Global warming is the direct result of a natural phenomenon called greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. Before we go into what exactly is global warming, let us say what is this greenhouse effect. Let's take a simple example. Suppose you are going to a particular place in your car. As you near the destination, you park your car, you park your vehicle in a place wherever it is available, and then walk to the destination to attend to your work. Maybe you come back after 1 hour or 2 hours. When you open the door of the car and try to sit inside, you will experience that inside the car it will be too hot. What has happened here? Heat absorbed by the car, the metal or material of which the car is made, has got trapped inside, and that heat could not escape. So inside it will be hotter than outside. Or take another situation in the nurseries where plants are grown, ornamental and flowering plants are grown. In nurseries, they would construct what are known as glass houses, totally composed of glasses on all the sides. The idea here is heat absorbed by glasses does not go back, cannot be reflected back so easily. So inside a glass house, it will be much hotter than outside. These glass houses are constructed to provide higher temperature. To provide higher temperature, because when plants are exposed to a slightly higher temperature, their flowering activity increases. So they are, for a short duration, 2 or 3 weeks, the pots are kept in the glass houses, then they are taken to outside, they start flowering. This is what is known as greenhouse effect. In the atmosphere, carbon dioxide is functioning in the same way. Remember, this greenhouse effect is important. Greenhouse effect is important because the Earth's present temperature is only because of the greenhouse effect. Created by carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide preventing the heat from getting reflected back. In the absence of such a greenhouse effect, Earth's temperature would have been about minus 18 or minus 20 degrees. But the temperature is because of present temperature is because of the greenhouse effect from carbon dioxide. Therefore, all organisms are able to survive on planet Earth. The situation is increased levels of carbon dioxide has increased the greenhouse effect. With the result that over the last 100 to 150 years, the Earth's temperature is said to have increased by about 2 degrees Celsius. So Earth is becoming warmer. Therefore, this process is called global warming. Not only carbon dioxide, other gases too are contributing to this effect. Oxides of nitrogen, methane, and chlorofluorocarbons. The CFCs are also contributing to this greenhouse effect. Therefore, these gases are known as greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases. Of course, carbon dioxide is a major contributor. 50 to 60% of the greenhouse gases is represented by carbon dioxide. About 20% is represented by methane, and the remaining oxides of nitrogen, chlorofluorocarbons, etc. account for about 20%. The effects of global warming. The effects of global warming include melting of the ice, especially in the polar regions. Which has already been recorded. Increase in the sea level. Increase in the sea level. Therefore, indirectly responsible for flooding of water and submerging of lands. These are the serious effects of global warming. Already the signs of these effects have been observed. The effects have been felt. Many islands are submerging. Polar bear and such animals living in ice covered areas have already started suffering. It is said that in another 25 to 30 years, Earth's temperature would go up by another 2 degrees Celsius. If that happens, if this global warming is not controlled, and if that happens, a major part of the land area of the world may be submerged. This is the serious problem associated with global warming.